Hey guys, it has been a while. I'm doing a makeup tutorial today, specifically an eye makeup tutorial. I did my whole face and everything prior to the video being filmed, which I do want to do an updated foundation routine because I found like bomb products recently. But today I am using this gorgeous eyeshadow palette that I just have to give you guys the whole rundown on. It is vegan, it is organic, it is sustainably packaged. So aside from the pans that the eyeshadows actually come in, which you can just pop out with a tweezer and replace them, everything else is fully recyclable, which apparently this is the only eyeshadow palette ever created where that is the case. I did receive this from Aether Beauty as a gift to try out. So needless to say, I was just very excited about this product when I heard that it was coming out. Actually, I used it yesterday for the first time, and I kind of stuck with like these warmer colors when I did my look yesterday because that's just what I always go for. But I was like, you know what? When I do the video, I'm gonna go outside my comfort zone a little bit and I'm gonna focus on like these cooler colors. So that's what I did with this look here. The warm colors are gorgeous and I actually love how this look came out too. So I'm just a fan of literally every shade that's in here. Yeah, so this is by Aether Beauty. This is what the outside looks like. It has a little strap to keep the cover, you know, from coming up so that it's easy to travel with. Then you take the strap off, and inside it's just the palette like this. There's no mirrors, there is no magnets. So I guess those are the two things that usually make eyeshadow palettes not recyclable. And this is just paper and cardboard. It's not plastic, it's not coated with anything. You know, a lot of times even cardboard will be coated with plastic, which then makes it impossible to recycle. So they were really, really conscious about the packaging. So I just want to read you some more about it if you guys are interested. So, okay, it retails for $58 and inside you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're getting 12 shades altogether. And they're super pigmented. So you'll see when I do the look that, I mean, it takes me like 2 seconds to do this look, which is really nice because you don't have to like keep working at it, and it just, they go on beautifully. Okay, so it's 12 day to night shades and you have mattes, shimmers, duochromes, and metallics. So you have like a nice range of everything in there, which is great. So these are actually infused with rose quartz, like the gemstone powder, which is really freaking cool. So I've never heard of that before, but it says that it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, redness while illuminating with its light reflective properties. It's formulated with organic coconut oil and organic shea butter, which makes it really smooth and buttery. There's also organic rosehip oil in there. And again, like I mentioned, it's fully recyclable, which is the first in the industry. Amazing. And I did say that it's vegan and cruelty-free, of course, right? It comes in really cute packaging. They actually included like a little sage bundle and some rose quartz crystals, and I don't know if that was just like a PR thing that they were doing for bloggers and influencers, but I really appreciated that. I thought it was really cute. And just their whole branding is like so up my alley with like super celestial vibes and everything like that. So anyway, I did want to create this look for you guys just to really highlight such an amazing, thoughtful product and show you guys how great the colors are. So also in the video, I will be using my new favorite mascara. I figured I could do an eyeshadow look, also doubling kind of like as a little review on my new favorite mascara for you guys, because again, it is organic and vegan and it is hands down the best mascara I've ever used. It actually blows the Lily Lolo vegan mascara out of the freaking water, which I never thought that I would say. So stay tuned for that and let's get into the tutorial.
Alright, so the first shade that I'm taking is Aphrodite, which is a violet gray matte shade, and I'm placing that in the crease with an Eco Tools blending brush. Now for the lid shade, I chose Crystalline, which is described as an antique champagne metallic. It is beautiful. So I just place that all over the lid and into the inner corner. Now to deepen up the crease slightly, I'm taking a darker gray shade. This one is called Grounding. It's described as a charcoal matte, and I'm just working that and blending that into the crease. Now on my bottom lash line, I'm taking a Start, which is a lavender to silver blue duochrome, and I'm blending that down on my bottom lash line. Now just to finish off the look with a pop of color in the center of my eyelids, using my finger, I am taking the shade Rose Quartz. And I just decided I wanted to pop a nice little highlight underneath my brow, so I used Stardust for that. Now you can go back through, just make sure everything is very nicely blended. And I'm applying eyeliner here. I like the Alima Pure eyeliner pencils. This one is in black. I also have the brown one, which I use on more of a day-to-day basis, and I like them both a lot. Now on to the lashes. I'm just giving them a nice curl here, and then I'm going in with the mascara that I mentioned. That is my new fave. It is by Anika Beauty. It's organic and vegan, and it's amazing. It's on Amazon Prime. That's where I got it from, so you guys can get it ASAP if you want to try it out. The first time that you use it, the first coat, you'll probably be like, whatever, you know, average. With the second and third coats, it just takes your lashes to a whole new level. So I wait about 5 minutes in between coats, and it's just amazing. There's no fallout. It makes your lashes super thick and long and curled. It's easy to take off at the end of the night. It's kind of a wet formula, so if you get it on your lid, just wait for it to dry and then take it off with a eyeshadow brush. But this is it. This is how it looks after 3 coats. I don't feel the need to wear false lashes when I have this on, so highly recommend. So that is the look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.